I am 20 years old. I'm from Haifa by way of Canada.
I'm Yam. I'm 20 years old from Herzliya, Israel.
I'm Nicole. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Petah Tikva.
My name is Sal.
Hi, I'm Rotem. I'm 20 years old from Rishon LeZion. Woo!
I'm going to lead the electronics lab workshop. Actually, I have a background in electronics from what I did in the army. I worked a lot with electronics, and that's pretty much all I can say.
I'm doing DJ music production and Lego robotics. So we're going to listen to a lot of Israeli music and try to figure out what makes it so special and maybe try to recreate it.
Jewelry design and fashion design in 3D. It's a way to express themselves in a really fun way and a technological way because it's 3D shaping, and it's also useful because it's fashion, so you wear it, you know.
I'm a graphic designer, so I can be inspired and wow.
I'm very excited to be a counselor in Tenafly because I was a counselor in Israel 2 years ago, and I'm very, very excited to come to America and counsel American kids.
The really fun part is just to meet the kids, to do amazing things with them, and that in the end of the day they come home with a smile on their face.
Go Tenafly! Woo!
Watch out, Tenafly, cause Sima's coming!
I can't wait to meet you at Tenafly.
Tenafly, see you in the summer. Bye bye.